boy, you. What are you doing? Are you a silly boy? Are you a silly fatty? Are you a silly fatty? Are you a coochie boy? Are you coochie coochie? Are you a coochie coochie?
19 years old. Rated to the Lost Ark too.
Continuation.
Which I loved it.
I love the dress. Oh, thanks. Did you destroy the photo of Garden City as they're looking for dress? Is he hungry?
I don't think so. It could be his tummy. He's been having trouble. I think I'll give him a suppository and see what the
Yeah, I heard his
happens.
little tummy.
Yeah. He has such gas all the time. He's over the colic, and now he seems just sort of... Is he back?
Oh, you're just like Uncle Mickey when he was little.
Mrs. Bell's new name. Henry Men. Oh, that. Really? I am so happy for her because she's sort of leading a